Guys, today we talk about how can you find your favorites on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app to find your favorites. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down here, you click here on favorites down here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then here you will find all favorites you have in this list here. It's going to show for you in this list. If you have add any of your movies here before on your favorite list, it's going to show for you in this list. Like you see, I have nothing here, but if you have it, you will find it in this list. That's all. I wish you are great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.